Hello, this is Mr. Michael, and this video is covering the update for the motor. On our motor, I'm using a double motor because I already updated my single motor. So I wanted to show you the colors that show up when you're updating. On our screen for the coding canvas, you want to go to connect a motor. I'm going to use my double motor here to connect, and I'm going again without the card. Hit my top button here to get our pulse going and our pairing double motor going, excuse me, and I'll hit my pair. This screen will clear out here and it'll go and show you preparing. You can see on our screen here all of our great colors that are happening once those are done. See if I can get this a little bit more covered. It's updating, and once that is done, it will show us updated on the screen and give us our new firmware. So this is the firmware we're running now. This is in summer of 2026, so we're running 1.1.28, and it only takes a few, was it 15 seconds to update. And if you see one updating, you may want to go ahead and run all of your updates on each of the motors. Thank you for watching, and I will add more on double motor and single motor in the next video. See you guys then.